It is Thursday, January the 9th, 2024, and I'm at a VA medical appointment today, but now I'm driving to Springfield to help out my friend. And they're calling for 3 to 5 inches of snow tonight, but as you see, the ground is frozen already. It's not as bad as it was back in 2009 or 2010. I don't remember exactly which year. I think it was 2010. Where this area, my area, got a really bad ice storm where it broke a lot of trees. And I was working for a company called Mighty back then, and I was driving home in the ice storm. And I believe that I came through this area, and there were big limbs just on the ground because of the weight of the ice. They're also calling for snow tomorrow, Friday the 10th. But this weekend it's supposed to be warm again. So I hope everybody survives this winter storm watch that we're having. I pray for the people out in California with the fires. I pray for all the people all over the world with the weather that we're having. Cold weather that we're having. There's all kinds of disasters going on all over the world. It just biblical times. So anyway, I won't get into that. But as you can see, this area, it's been like this the whole trip. It's colder down in this area than it is back home. But as you can see, there's ice already on the trees. But I hope y'all have stayed and survived. May God bless each and every one of you. I'm at my buddies, and they got maybe a half inch to an inch of snow. I wish I was a weatherman. It's snowing a little bit now, or maybe that's snow blowing off the roof. But I checked yesterday. Where I live, there was no snow predicted. Today, where I live, there's a 99% chance of snow. Today, I just got through checking my security cameras. There's no snow in my area right now. These guys get paid to guess, and people plan their lives around what the weather shows. I think people ought to be fired myself, and they need to predict weather better. But I'm working on this musical cuckoo clock that has a chirping bird. Last time I was here, I worked 11 hours on that clock. I've been working on this clock ever since I've been here. We've worked 5 hours so far on this clock, and it's not quite where it needs to be. I think the manufacturer of this clock needs to be smacked in the face, because there's no access door to get to the music wheels. And I could have built a better clock than this. It's a really nice clock when it's working, but when you have to work on it, it's a pain in the rear. And I really never want to see this clock again. Before I leave my buddy's house and go back home, we put his homemade stand here and put that 3-foot plus clock on this stand so I can put it in beat. And I just open up the foot a little bit to put it in beat. And so this clock's been a while since it ran. And it now has 1,750 gram weights on it. It's a beautiful clock. Two different tunes, but most 8-day clocks only play the music on the hour. And this is a regular 72 with the cam in the back, like my regular 70 one-day movement.